Wagwan, 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 my people. You are now tuning into Click React, man. And if you're here already, might as well click sub. You get me? Click that subscribe button, man, before we get started. But guys, today I'm gonna be reacting to Drake and 21 performing live on SNL. You know, Drake just dropped a new album, Her Loss. So they're performing on BS. And I'm not gonna lie, man. This album was on some BS. The shots that were fired, it's just been crazy, right? Like, I don't know if you guys have listened to it. If you haven't, go check that shit out, man. But guys, we're just gonna get right into it. Don't forget to drop a like, turn on those post notifications, man, and let me know what you think about this performance. Did they kill it or not? I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Ladies and
They got Michael B presented. I didn't know this guy was on SNL. Damn.
gentlemen, presenting your musical guests for the evening, Drake and 21 Savage.
Why he present them like that? So sophisticated.
Performing a song off of one of the most relatable albums of all time, Her Loss.
Yo, did he just throw shade at Lori Harvey? The man said the most relatable album of all time, Her Loss. Oh, I see what you did there, Michael.
Whoa.
Yo, I just have to say this. I need to know if 21 Savage is wearing a wig. If you guys know, let me know, bro, because something is not right about that hair, that thing that's sitting on this man's head. I know you see it.
I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me even if she could.
This track is a banger, by the way, and as you can see, they're both in two different seasons. 21 Savage is here in a summer outfit, while Drake is about to go snowboarding.
Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby.
Wait, you can swear on SNL?
No, it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out.
Yo, if you're really just watching Drake in the background, he does look like a backup dancer here. Like, he's just there, you know when a man drops his new song at a party or something like that. I don't know if you guys ever been to one of those, and his mans are just in the background hyping it up. Look at Drake.
No bug, I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hooks.
Okay.
All time to get exposed, yeah. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show. Savage, say you pussy and he hit it on the nose. But that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. Y'all be going in and out recession.
The flow is too hard on this track, man. The flow is so hard.
It's the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah.
That line about my lawyer like objection, that shit's fire.
Yeah, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with Coral Reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she...
Yo, these guys love singing about smashing people's wives, eh? Like, it's a regular for rappers. And I get it, it makes sense.
Only in Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
Okay.
Out of Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
Seen too many cameras, so
Yo, is Adderall like that? Like, I know people that be on that shit like 24/7, but like, I'm too scared for that heart racing stuff, right? Anything that's too much caffeine, and that's what people say it makes you feel like. I'm just like, hell no, I ain't doing that.
I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you.
Uh-huh.
For real. Yeah.
Yo, are they lip singing singing this? Because the like vocals, everything sounds so clean. Am I wrong?
On that bullshit, okay. 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 On that bullshit. We on all the bullshit.
Honestly, I feel like this album should be Drake and 21 Savage's album, because like he's on at least half the songs, right? And all those songs that he's on, he killed it for sure.
Okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. All the bullshit.
Not gonna lie, Drake's braid up here is like, that shit look like it's tight. Like it was did on a mannequin and then they pasted it on his head tight. Like, that's crazy.
Damn. Maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets live, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn.
All right, so that that line, that whole bar right there, that shit is so funny on TikTok. People are like, yo, bro, just did my math homework and shit. But no, for real, they say, you know, legend has it that he's talking about, I don't even know how to say his name probably. I'll just say XXXTentacion, whatever his name was. Rest in peace. They say that's who he was talking about because he said, if he kept his mouth quiet on that live, he'd be alive again. And I think that's what people are saying. And he's been saying like subs like that about X. So I don't know, man. What do you guys think?
My uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit.
Why couldn't he just say aunt? You see how this guy's complicated? My uncle's sister? That's what it is, right? My uncle's sister, yeah.
Wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard he banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on a lane. I'm just what in the cut, throwing frankers on her frame.
Honestly, yo, definitely they're just lip syncing because this shit is too clean.
I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we in the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul. He my nemesis.
On that bullshit, okay? On that bullshit.
And I like the chorus for this song. It's super catchy. Like it's simple, but it's super catchy.
Shit, okay? On that bullshit, okay? On that bullshit.
Yeah, they're lip singing.
On that bullshit.
Yeah, they're lip syncing because he's saying okay, but he's not putting the mic back to his face now. So now I get it. I guess that's how the performance sounds clean and lit and stuff.
On that bullshit, okay? On that bullshit. We on all the bullshit, okay? On that bullshit, okay? On that bullshit, okay? On that bullshit, okay? On that bullshit.
Is that a velvet or suede button up this man's wearing? Shit, clean.
On that bullshit, okay? On that bullshit, okay? All the bullshit.
I like the performance. Not gonna lie, it's lit. These guys did their thing. 21, I think 21 in general is a good performer. Like he's hype, but he's not like moving. I guess it's just the way that he raps and shit. It gets people going type of thing. You know what I'm saying? But that shit was lit. Let me know what you guys think, man. Thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to drop that like, man. Turn on post notifications. Hit that sub, man. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.